We've stored collections of data using lists and have used indices to access the items of lists. In this lecture, we will explore Python's dictionary type and learn how to store and access information using dictionaries. In an earlier lecture, we used a nested list to keep track of assignments and grades on those assignments. Each inner list was a two-item list containing the assignment name, a string, and a grade, which was a number. We can use indexing to access the items of the list. Grades at 0 refers to the list with A1 and its grade. Grades at 1 refers to the list containing A2 and its grade, and grades at 2 refers to the list containing A3 and its grade. To find out the name of a particular assignment, we need to use the first index of that two-element list. So for example, to find the name of the assignment for grades at index 1, we use index 0 to get the name. To access the grade associated with that assignment, we use index 1 of the inner list. We will now use a dictionary to store the same grades information, and we'll see that accessing the mark associated with a particular assignment is going to be simpler when working with the dictionary. The variable assignment to grade will refer to the new dictionary, and the notation for a dictionary is braces. Each entry of a dictionary has two parts, and the two parts are separated by colons. This dictionary has three key value pairs. A1 is a key, A2 is a key, and A3 is a key. 80 is a value. It is the value associated with key A1. 70 is a value. It is the value associated with key A2. And 90 is a value. It is the value associated with key A3. To look up the grade associated with assignment A2, we can use the bracket notation that we used with the nested list. However, rather than put an index between the brackets, we will put a key. So we want to look up the value associated with key A2, and that gives us the value 70. This notation for looking up a mark associated with an assignment is much simpler than the two indices needed to look up the mark associated with an assignment using the nested list. However, it reveals something about dictionaries. In order to be able to look up a particular value associated with a key, that key must be unique. It can only occur once in the dictionary. So assignment names A1, A2, and A3 are unique names. The marks associated with those assignments, or the values of the dictionary, could be duplicated. So it's possible that A1 and A2, those keys, could have the same value, say 80.